morning, my dear students. Welcome to online maths class. Last class, we learned about the examples related sums in profit and loss and bill. Now we are moving to the exercise problem. Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. A school purchases some furniture and gets the following bill. The bill named which they purchased which company, that is Mullai Furniture Mart. What are the items they are purchased? Sitting bench, writing bench, blackboard, chair and table. Number of quantity and rate is given. The amounts also given. Now we have the questions. What is the name of the store? What is the name of the store? That we will see now. And the next, what is the serial number of the bill? That is the second question. Third one is what is the cost of a blackboard? And fourth one is how many seats, sets of bench and desk does the school buy? Verify whether the total bill amount is correct. These are some questions they given. We have to find these answers for this bill. And with the help of this bill, we are going to find the answer for this questions. The first question is, what is the name of the store? The name of the store is Mullai Furniture Mart. What is the serial number of the bill? Serial number is 728. Next, the third question. What is the cost of a blackboard? They are asking what is the cost of one blackboard. The cost of one blackboard is 3000 rupees. How many sets of benches and desks does the school buy? They are buying sitting bench and writing desk, each 50-50. So totally 50 sets. Each 50, if you are adding the two together only set. So that only I am saying 50 sets of benches and desks they are going to buy. Verify the total bill amount is correct. Yes, the total bill amount is correct. If you are adding all this amount, we will get the total amount, that is 1,68,000. Yes, my dears, this is the first question. Already I told you how to verify the bill and how to see the bills. Then move on to the third question. Fill up the appropriate boxes in the following table. CP, SP, profit, loss. Somewhere CP is given, SP is given, profit or loss we want to find. Other two sums we have CP and profit. And SP and CP, there is a profit or loss. Then CP and profit we want to find the SP. Okay, move on to the first question. CP is 100, SP is 120. So here selling price is greater than cost price. So there is a profit. How much rupees is profit? CP minus SP, which is equal to 20, which is equal to 120 minus 100, which is equal to 20. So there is a profit, that is 20 rupees. Move on to the next question. Cost price is 110, selling price is 120. So we want to find the profit or loss. Here SP is greater than CP. So there is a profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, which is equal to 120 minus 110, which is equal to rupees 10. So there is a profit of rupees 10. Move on to the third question. There is a cost price is given 120 and profit is given 20. We want to find the selling price. We want to find the selling price. So profit is equal to 20. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So if you want to find SP, we want to add the cost price with profit. So 120 plus 20, which is equal to 140, which is equal to 140. The next question. Cost price is 100, selling price is 90. Here cost price is greater than selling price. If a cost price is greater than selling price, there is a loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP, which is equal to 100 minus 90, which is equal to 10. So there is a 10 rupees of loss. The last question. Cost price is 120 and profit is 25. The same question, the third same question. Here we want to find there is a cost price and profit. So there is we want to find the selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit which is equal to 120 plus 25, 145. Yes, this is the third question, ma. Move on to the next question. Question number 5. Rani bought a set of bangles for rupees 310. Her neighbor liked it most. So Rani sold it to her for rupees 325. Find the profit or loss to Rani. Here is bought means cost price. Cost price is rupees 310. Selling price is 325. If a cost price is greater than, selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, which is equal to 325 minus 310, that is equal to rupees 10. So Ronnie get a profit of rupees 15. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6. Sugan bought a jeans pant for rupees 750. It did not fit him. He sold it to his friend for rupees 710. Find the profit or loss to Sugan. He bought a jeans pant, that is cost price is rupees 750. He sold it for his friend at rupees 710, that is selling price. Here SP is less than CP. So there is a loss. Selling price is less than the cost price means there is a loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP, which is equal to 750 minus 710. That is equal to rupees 40. So Sugan got a loss of rupees 40. Move on to the next Sam. Question number 7. Somu bought a second-hand bike for rupees 28,000 and spent rupees 2,000 on its repair. He sold it for rupees 30,000. Find his profit or loss. Here we have selling price, cost price and repair charges. So repair charges should be added to the cost price. If you are adding only, we will get the original cost price. So cost price is equal to rupees 30,000. Selling price also 30,000. Both are same. There is no loss. There is no profit. There is no loss. There is no profit. Next, we have the 8th question. Muthu has a car worth rupees 8,50,000 and he wants to sell it at a profit of rupees 25,000. What should be the selling price of the car? Here we have cost price and profit amount. So we have to find the selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, that is equal to 25,000 plus 8,50,000. So if you are adding, you will get 8,75,000 as a selling price. So selling price of the car should be 8,75,000. The last question, question number 9. Valanmadi sold her pearl set for rupees 30,000 at a profit of rupees 5,000. Find the cost price of the pearl set. Here we have a selling price and profit. We want to find the cost price. So selling price is equal to rupees 30,000. Profit is equal to rupees 5,000. So cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, which is equal to 30,000 minus 5,000. That is equal to rupees 25,000. So cost price for the pearl set is rupees 25,000. Today's homework is question number 2 and 4 in exercise 3.1. Today's session is completed. Thank you.